they pay me yo. In this OG they pay me yo. Sabotu wasi they pay me yo.
Mananamu wotu. Onye hurum nanya huo namo. Mananamu wotu. Simon Ekpa and NNAMDI na rukoro. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya huo na ya. Yana na ya botu. Ewo. Mananamu botu. Onye hurum nanya huo namo. Mananamu botu. Simon Ekpa and NNAMDI na rukoro. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya huo na ya. Yana na ya botu. Shame. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya uwo na ya. Yana na ya botu. NNAMDI na Simon Ekpa na rugo fife. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya uwo na ya. Yana na ya botu. Ifanye ejofu shame unto you. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya uwo na ya. Yana na ya botu. DOS shame unto you. Yana na ya botu. Onye hure nanya uwo na ya. Yana na ya botu. Simon Ekpa NNAMDI na rugo fihe. Yana na ya botu. Onye fure nanya uwo na ya. Yana na ya botu. Woto master. Woto. My people, I greet you. They arrested Simon Ekpa. No do. This our lawyer. What would you say be human being? What would you say be all mad or if I need your for? And now we can know say you to say na sabo, say you be betrayer. He go make the post. We come make the post. We go see the post. I make this post when they see so. We come make this post. When they come the jubilant. J-Pack, shame on to you. All the haters of Simon Ekpa, shame on to you. Do you know why I'm saying shame on to you? If you believe that you're a freedom fighter, you're a member of IPOB, I see no reason for you to call for the head of Simon Ekpa. I see no reason for you to hate Simon Ekpa. I see no reason for anyone to be against Simon Ekpa. I see no reason. The only condemnation you is talking about just because he called for sit at home. And the question is, why they call for the sit at home? That's number one thing you should be asking. Why they call for the sit at home? Our leader, Mazi NNAMDI, is in detention, getting to 2 years now. Even when court don't declare him free, they still had him there. And because he called for sit at home. If actually DOS, they are doing their work, they should be fighting Simon Ekpa. They should be reasoning alike. They should be reasoning together to see a better ground on how to go with this and not to fight against him. And now because say all of you here say Simon Ekpa has been arrested, the social media got on fire. Can't they see fire? Can't they see fire like mountain fire prayer? People where they thank God, people where they call him saying it is. I see many different calls, I see many different tests, I see many different comments. People where they holler against the young man. If not for Simon Ekpa, the story of Biafra for don't go silent. Because the DOS, they are weak are like erection. DOS, they don't have any erection at all. They know they rise again. Because Simon Ekpa called for boycotting of the election. That shouldn't be the reason for anyone to call for his head. The question is he doing the right work? Is he on the right track? Is he really doing what Mazi should be doing if Mazi is out of detention? Even with the arrest of Simon Ekpa, the Biafra matter don't even go more further. If the international body don't they forget the matter of Biafra, because the Simon Ekpa's arrest and the way Simon Ekpa is going, don't even make the matter to go further, to go higher more and more. All right. The clip we're going to see where they display so. Now where Simon Ekpa made a broadcast an hour or 2 hours after he released. If you want to hear them fully, you go on the internet, go on YouTube, you see all these things. He even made a broadcast last night against this election today, where they hold today will be 25th February 2023. All the media wey carry say Simon Ekpa has been arrested, none of them wey don't come talk say they don't release him. None of them don't come broadcast again say they just call him for question, or they just do one or two, they just do one amebo or one to bomb. None of them don't come talk say they don't release him. People when they hear of bad news about people, they hear of good news. Yanana ya botu onye huru Simon ahụla nna ya, yanana ya botu Simon Ekpa ma woto master, yanana ya botu onye huru n'anya hụ nna ya, yanana ya botu. Yes, why some of us they are kind of trying to support P2B? No, we say we support P2B, say we are interested on the Zulu country. No, we say we're interested in that. You know, most of the times, when you in a situation like this, at times you try to see if you can have an insider in the politics of the country. But it's unfortunate for Nigeria, everyone na betray, everyone na racha. If a holy Ifeanyi Ejiofor can betray, can be in the track of the betrayers, then who is safe? DOS will not come to hear of people again because una nana racha. The flag of Biafra today is flying high. The name of Biafra today is going high. The name of Biafra is still receiving a great alarm, great attention from the international body because of Simon Ekpa. Ijira can do DOSG. Every lanyo koko, every lanyo pay. Simon Ekpa is on his own track, doing his own thing. What DOS should be doing, they should do their own thing and leave Simon Ekpa alone. Mandana we have different names. As soon as they call him different names, the guy they rise more. As he depends some, he they sweet some. But that should not be our case. As a freedom fighter, we should put our eggs on one basket. But this time around, with the strategy of the Zulu country, what we should be in, we should have diversifications. Like Simon Ekpa they do now, DOS going to do their own, so that things going to work in pari passu. Military where they go fight, they didn't use one format. They use one format, they didn't follow one road. They will use different strategies. You see what thing that happened between Ukraine and Russia. Russia come with one strategy before, and Ukraine can't they give them woto. They can't change. Can't give Ukraine can't change. Now so life they be. Life is not about one way. DOS, amateur than Unu the weak. So we need somebody who is more vibrant and agile like Mazi, NNAMDI Kanu. And today that's what we are seeing. Woto. Yanana ya botu. Ole hure lanya huona ya. Yanana ya botu. Mazi Simon Ekpa is out of, in fact, not even arrested. He was only invited. And after one tumbum, he was freed. And Mugus they cracked their head. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, shame unto you. Shame unto you. Shame unto you. Jebak, shame unto you. Kahara bu haters of Simon Ekpa. Shame.